everybody, this is Simi Bella again. Today I'm going to do another haul, but it will be a makeup haul. I got a couple of things from Nykaa because there was a sale going on. Also I got some things from Amazon, so it's a mixture of various products from various online shopping sites. So yes, let's get started. So I'll start with the lip products first. I got a couple of lipsticks. So I'll show you the first one. This is from Maybelline. Yeah, if you can see it. It says Super Stay 14-hour lipstick and it's in the shade of pink. It's a very nice fuchsia pink and I really love it. I've worn this many a times. It is not exactly 14 hours, it's not stay for 14 hours, but lipstick that pays off 5 to 6 hours is quite a good deal. So I really like this one. This is for $5.75, but I got it for $4.50. Yeah, so the second one that I want to show you is this very nice Miss Claire lip cream that I got from Instagram. I got a couple of Miss Claire lip creams from Instagram. This is one of them. This is in the shade 08 and it's a very nice matte pink color. So if I can just show to you. So this is the shade of the color. I will show you the swatches and everything. I got two shades, one in 8, one in 5. I don't remember where I kept my 5. I mean the number 5, but it's very similar to this in a lighter shade. I saw this in Devashree's blog once and I really liked it, so I ordered from Instagram. This was originally for 200, but there was some discount going on Instagram and I got it for 150 rupees. The next thing that I got is another lip cream. You know, lip creams are in huge demand these days. It's getting more popular than lipsticks. So this is a very nice one again. It's called Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lipstick and it's in this shade AZ22. It's in the color nude and it's a very nice shade if you can see it. So the next thing I got is a mascara. So I got this because I got very good reviews for this particular product. It's from Maybelline again. The Falsies Volume Mascara Hydrofuge. It stays on the lashes. It gives you a lot of volume and the length also. It gives you length also. So I really liked it. So this is basically the waterproof mascara. You will get the same thing in normal mode as well. I got the waterproof one because it's very hot in Delhi and therefore you sweat a lot, so this takes care of your lashes for at least some time. So yeah, so this is, and I've used it and it's actually really good. I used Oriflame one earlier. I've used L'Oreal one. Oriflame one was rubbish, but L'Oreal one was quite good, and now this is my favorite, current favorite right now. Yeah. So the next thing that I'll show you is this particular Maybelline. I don't know, I'm in love with Maybelline. I really like Maybelline products. I don't know, it suits my skin, it suits my taste in terms of color. So if you want medium coverage, then you can use this. It works perfectly fine. It is very smooth and it blends very well. So use this. Otherwise, if you want heavy coverage, you can go for L'Oreal or any other products, but this is perfect for everyday use. It doesn't break you out. I have very oily skin, so I have to take care of my skin a lot. I can't wear any foundation that's available in the market, but I really love this one. It suits me perfectly fine. So yeah, and the price is also incredible. The next thing that I'm going to show you is this Lakme Absolute Natural Mousse foundation. So this is not exactly foundation, but they call it mousse, but it's in the form of a foundation. So if I can show you, so it works like this. I've used a little bit of it. Very light on your skin. You will not even know when you apply it. You can apply it with your hands. You don't need makeup brushes for this, and it's really smooth and blends very well. However, it will work only for people with oily skin or medium skin. If you guys have dry skin, it will not work. It is really dry. It makes your face dry, and maybe for dry skin it may make it cakey, but for me it is really nice. I'll just show it to you. So this is how it looks like, and when I blend in, this is how well it blends. You don't even notice it. This was also in the range of 700 something, but I got it for 550 or 595 on discount. I'll leave the links down below for each and every product with the prices. So next thing I'm going to show you is this Lotus Herbal massage cream. I really like Lotus brand as well because it is quite inexpensive, plus it has a very good range of products. This one is Lotus White Glow Skin Whitening and Brightening Massage Cream. It contains whitening actives that penetrate deep to lighten, whiten and brighten skin while refreshing, energizing and moisturizing the skin. This was for $375. I got it for around $350 or something like that. Even if you use it a very little amount, it spreads onto your face properly and it's very creamy in texture. So I really like this massage cream as well. I've been using it since 2 weeks, and I think for a home facial or home cleanup, this serves perfectly. So the next thing that I'm going to show you also deals with home facial or home cleanup. So I got this. So it has a very fruity, stringent smell. You may not like the smell at all, but I'll just show you the color, and it's really pink, fuchsia pink reddish color. Yeah, and when you apply it first, you will feel a tingling sensation as if it is reacting against your skin, but don't worry, when you apply it, it's just for half a minute, 30 seconds or 20 seconds. Then after that you'll get such a cooling sensation. I really liked it. This was for 199 rupees. There was no discount and I still got it. It's an Ayurvedic recipe, 100% botanical extracts. It contains peach, aloe vera juice, kikkargond, neem and bandagobi bud and bihidana gel. I don't know. So good product and very inexpensive for a peel of masks. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is a night cream. I got this Lotus one because I've been wanting to buy a night cream since a long time. It's Lotus Herbal's Nutri-Night Skin Renewal Nutritive Night Cream, all skin types. It is made of blueberries and it again is a very creamy texture. Even if you apply a little bit of it, take on your fingertips and apply it, it glides on your face quite nicely. You don't need a lot of product on you. You need just a very few, in fact, drops on your hands, on your fingers, and you can just glide it and apply it on your face, and it works very nice. When I wake up, I feel that my face or my skin is refreshed, and and it's not a very expensive product. Again, it's 395 rupees. Yeah, so this is also a very good product. The next thing that I want to show you is this Lotus Nutriglow Daily Tinted Moisturizer SPF 25. So this serves as a moisturizer. Also, it has some kind of coverage. It's not like this kind of coverage, the Maybelline one, but it has some kind of coverage. In the sense, very light coverage, very mild coverage, because it is tinted. Yeah. So it comes in the shape of a pump and it's extremely easy to use. This does not come in the form of a pump, so you have to pour it on your palm or on your hands and then apply it. So there is a high possibility that you may spill it, or you may take extra that is not needed, so you may waste the product. So this works best. I like products which have these kind of pumps. So you can just squeeze up a little bit of product on your hands and then just apply it on your face. So you can see this. I'll just apply it. So it's very water based. It's not oily at all, so it's good for our oily skin, people who have oily skin. And see how much product I have here with just one small squeeze. So this is what it looks like. It completely vanishes off, and it's really nice for oily skin. I would recommend this. You do need to apply a compact. I have very oily skin, so I do need to apply a compact after this, but then this does not break me out. That is the most important concern for me. So it does not break me out, and it also gives a little bit of coverage. Sometimes when I'm like really lazy and I don't want to wear foundation, what I do is that I take a pump of this and I take a little bit of this, and then I mix up the two here, and then I apply it on my face. It works magically, and you can be lazy on those some few days when you don't want to apply foundation on your face. The next thing that I want to show you is this L'Oreal Paris 6 Oil Nourish Oil Replacement Cream, 3 times shinier and softer. 6 nutritive oils, intense nourishment. So it's almost like leave-in conditioner, but it's not exactly a leave-in conditioner. It is a new product launched by L'Oreal, and it was very inexpensive. Again, this was only for 135 rupees. Says we have created our first oil replacement cream infused with 6 precious nutritive oils. So it has 6 nutritive oils: argan oil, olive oil, almond, coconut, jojoba and camelina. It also contains UV filters known to protect from sun. So I guess this is a good product. I've used it only once. There are 3 ways you can use this product, and that is what attracted me to it the most. You can massage on scalp and hair and leave it overnight for intense nourishment. So you can oil it. You can use it as an oil, the way you use coconut oil or olive oil on your hair, and massage it and keep it overnight. Or you can also use it 30 minutes before shampooing, and then rinse it off for ultimate softness. That is what it says, before shampoo. Or you can also use it as an after leave-in cream, leave-in conditioner. Apply on lengths and tips to keep your hair manageable and protected all day. So you can apply only on the lengths and the tips, not on the scalp, after you take a shower, and that is how you use it. I used it overnight. In summers it becomes very hot, so oiling your hair becomes a little bit sticky, greasy, etc. And this one says it's non-greasy, and I actually used it overnight last night, and it actually is not as greasy as oil, and therefore it's perfect for summers. The next thing that I absolutely loved and I really wanted to show you is this contour palette, highlighter and contour palette. Again, I saw this in one of the blogs, and I really loved it, and I wanted to buy it myself, and I got this from Amazon. This was for $5.99, but I got it for 450 rupees on discount. So it has this beautiful shade. They are highlighter as well as contour palette. So you can highlight using these, and you can contour using these darker shades. So you can contour on your jawline or on your cheekbones, and then on your forehead, and then you can and it's cream based formula, so it works perfectly fine. I loved it. Generally contouring palette and tools are quite costly, quite expensive. Therefore this is very budget friendly. People who are very new into makeup, people who do not use a lot of makeup, then they can go for these. However, I have to remind you that it's cream based, so if people there are some people who do not like cream based products or contour products, so you have to take care of that. However, for me it works perfectly fine, and I love it. So yeah, the last product that I want to show you today is a hairbrush. This is from Vega, and this is a broad brush. They also have the leaner one, narrow one, but I like broad brushes because it becomes very easy to brush your hair. So I got this one. This was very cheap. This was for 250 rupees only, and it lasts you a lot of time. The bristles are very nice. It's not very pointy, does not hurt your scalp. So these are all the products that I have to show you today. I hope you like the haul. If you do like the haul, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because then you will get notifications for my future videos, and that's a good thing. So please do subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye.